how to become a Modere social marketer. You might have found this video because you're not exactly sure how to join. You might have gone to Modere's website and you couldn't figure out how to sign up so that you could sell the products. That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves and bring their business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss out. All right, so when I first got started with Modere, I went to the website. I was like, I went to modere.com and I want to learn more about the different kit options that they have, and I couldn't find anything. And it wasn't until I reached out to another social marketer to figure out about the different kits. So I wanted to explain to you that we do have two different websites when you join Modere. One is purely for customers, right? Modere.com, and you get a $10 off coupon when you become a social marketer. The other is a shifting retail site, and that's where you can sign up to become a distributor and earn commissions from Modere. And what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to put in the description of this video, I'm going to put a link so that you can chat with me over on Facebook if you're interested in the opportunity, so I can share my shifting retail site, give you a little bit more detail about what it takes to become a social marketer, a little bit more about my team to see if it's a good fit for you. So make sure you click the link in the description of this video if you're interested in learning more. So how do you become a social marketer? Well, it's actually really easy once you know what website to go to, right? So you go to the shifting retail, you have to have somebody to sign up underneath. So again, if you're interested, come and send me a message. Let's have a chat, see if it's a good fit for you. I have been here for about 3 years. I'm a top earner over in the company. My team is absolutely amazing, and we would love to learn more about you and welcome you over onto the team as well. So you go to the shifting retail site, you need to get a kit. And at the time of this video, we have many different kit options. We have kit options that range from $100 to get started to up to a $600 kit, and some of them you can actually customize and make your own as well. So Modere gives you lots of different options to get started. There's an additional $39 yearly social marketer fee is what we call it. It gives you access to the two websites that we have, your back office, all of the training that Modere puts out, and that's a yearly fee. Now we do not have monthly minimums. We do not have auto ship. You do not have to do any of that stuff. And so it's really, really simple. It's really, really easy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to link for you over in this video, Modere Comp Plan 2021 video that I made that kind of explains the comp plan. It's a dual-sided comp plan. So I'm going to link that right over here for you so that you can check it out just to learn a little bit more. But what I can tell you is that we do have systems in place for you to start your business and start your business really strong, right? So for those people that want to make a little bit of extra money every single month, that is an option. For those of you that want to make a little bit more extra money a month, that is an option as well. And some of you that have crazy, aspirations to go really big in your business, that is an option over here as well. And what I love about Modere really, really easy, really simplistically, is that you don't need to build a team over here. So a lot of people are looking at it as an affiliate company, which it is, because you can earn up to 36% commission on your products, right? And so my question of the day for you is, have you ever done network marketing? Put it in the description of this video. I would love to hear your story. I would love to hear more about your success or what your struggles were in network marketing, and make sure you put it in the description of this video. And if you are interested in becoming a Modere social marketer, make sure you definitely send me a message over on Facebook so that we can connect and see if it's a good fit for you, and then I can share with you my shifting retail site and we can get you plugged in and get you going so that you've got your Modere business ready to go, up and running. And hey, this is another episode of Julie Reynolds. I can't wait to see you for next week's episode.